In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export invoices in Zoho Books. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if it's your first time here. Most of the tools you need are organized in the left-hand menu, which makes it easy to move between different sections of your business records. From there, click on Sales. This section is where Zoho Books keeps all of your customer-related transactions, including estimates, sales orders, payments, and of course, invoices. If you're trying to download invoice data for reporting, sharing, or record keeping, this is the right place to begin. After opening the Sales section, click on Invoices. This will take you to the full list of invoices available in your account. Here you can review your invoice records before exporting them. Depending on how many invoices you have, you may want to quickly check that you're in the correct view or date range, so the export includes the information you actually need. This can save time and help avoid exporting extra data. Once you're on the Invoices page, look for the three-dot menu. Click on it to open more options. In that drop-down, select Export Invoices. This is the option that allows you to download your invoice information from Zoho Books in a structured format. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter the necessary details for the export. These settings may include things like the date range, the format of the file, or other invoice-related filters, depending on what Zoho Books shows in your account. Take a moment here and choose the options carefully. For example, if you only need invoices from a specific period, make sure that range is selected before moving on. Being precise at this step helps ensure your exported file is clean, relevant, and ready to use. Once you've filled in the required export details, click Export. Zoho Books will then begin preparing your invoice export file. In most cases, the file will download automatically, or you may be prompted to save it to your device. After that, you can open it and use it however you need, whether that's for accounting review, sharing with your team, or keeping an offline backup. And that's it. That's how to export invoices in Zoho Books quickly and correctly.